How to fix Gigabyte Control Center not working in Windows. So to fix Gigabyte Control Center not working in Windows, first thing you can do is to go ahead and run the app as administrators. For example, this is the app. Right click on the app and then select Run as Administrator. So this often resolves permission related launch issues. Another thing you can do is to reinstall Gigabyte Control Center. So open your Windows settings by clicking on Win I, and then on the settings, head over into the Apps tab, and then on the Apps tab, click on Installed Apps, and then from here, go ahead and download the latest version from Gigabyte's official site. So uninstall the Gigabyte Control Center in here and then download the latest version from Gigabyte's official site. Reinstall and restart your PC. And lastly is to update drivers. So go ahead and open Device Manager into your PC, and then from here, go ahead and update chipset, GPU, and peripheral drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent GCC from detecting hardware properly. And that is how you can basically fix Gigabyte Control Center not working in Windows.